So here you see the Valencia rice. It looks like it's about ready for harvest. There's a rice field, which are all over this part of Valencia. We are harvesting the rice. Hola. Buen día. Buenos días. Buenos días. And here's a field that's recently been harvested. Did a pretty good job of getting every damn grain of rice.